So I don't know then, you need to tell me.
What do you mean you just seen her there, you fucking idiot? Who you talking to? I'll slap you, mate.
Yeah, me too.
Do you
What's your problem?
Let your fucking bum. Do you want me to fucking bite your fucking nose off? Do you? Let me get this fucking motor before I do you.
Yeah, let's go off my car.
Fuck, don't fucking talk to me like that. I'll fucking bite your face right after you cunt. Stupid cunt.
What do you mean stupid cunt?
You're a stupid cunt! That's what I mean! Who the fuck are you talking to?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Fuck's sake.
No, this isn't the last one.
What the actual fuck, man?
Oh,
No, it's that cunt trying to get white. All I says is wait there.
What-
And you're like,
what-
who you talking to? Don't
alright, whatever.
I'll fucking smash your motor up, you fucking idiot.
Wanna stop?
Fucking hiding behind cameras.
What's
Usual,
wrong
you're
with
more-
you?
Usual. Are you taking us to the place I am now?
No.
Exactly then, fuck
Yeah.
yourself, mate.
Yeah. It's 8 quid, mate.
You're not getting night up, you fucking tramp. Trampy cunt. Well, is him trying to get wide first?
No,
Oh, I
I
said
didn't.
stop there and you're saying I didn't. You went right by her.
So I don't know then, you need to tell me.
What do you mean you just seen her there, you fucking idiot? Who you
Oi.
talking to? I'll slap you, mate.
Yeah, me too.
Do you want
Yeah.
to fight? Do you?
What's your problem?
Let your fucking bum. Do you want me to fucking bite your fucking nose off? Do you? Let me get this fucking motor before I do you.
Yeah, just go off my car.
Fuck. Don't fucking talk to me like that. I'll fucking bite your face right after you cunt. Stupid cunt.
What do you mean stupid cunt?
You're a stupid cunt! That's what I mean! Who the fuck are you talking to?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Fuck's sake.
Yeah.
What the actual fuck, man?
No, it's that cunt trying to get white. All I says is wait there. And
What-
you're like,
what-
who you talking to? Don't.
Alright, whatever.
I'll fucking smash your motor up, you fucking idiot.
Wanna stop?
Fucking hiding behind cameras.
What's
Usual,
wrong
you're
with
more-
you?
Usual.
Fuck it.
Are you taking us to the place I am now?
No.
Exactly then, fuck
Yeah.
yourself, mate.
Yeah.
Gonna pay it?
Go and try it, so fucking well,
It's
fuck
on my
off.
name.
It's
Gonna
8
go.
quid, mate.
You're a fucking tramp, give me my money. You've been not getting night up, you fucking tramp. Trampy cunt. Well, is him trying to get wide first?
No,
Oh, I said
didn't.
stop there and you're saying I didn't fucking know that, I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
of course. How come
I just said stop!
Shouting, can you actually stop?
What, you fucking shut up and get in my fucking face or I'll be taking you out. Fucking idiot. Fuck's sake, do you think she's gonna protect you? No, mate. Just keep your mouth fucking shut. Don't talk to me like that. Fucking just asked you to stop and you try and get wide as if I'm some sort of daffy when
No,
you're the
I
daffy.
didn't.
You did. All I said is can you stop and you're like, what? I didn't know that.
Yeah, of
didn't know
course.
that.
How come I know that?
All I said is stop.
How come I know that?
Then you tried to get
told me
wide.
to stop. I stop it then. That's what.
Exactly, and that's all.
Yeah.
Only had to get left in it,
Yeah.
and you tried to get wide after
No,
that.
I didn't.
You did.
No,
You did.
no, I
It's
didn't.
on camera, mate.
Yeah, it's on camera. That's
It's
right.
on camera, mate.
Yeah,
You're the one
exactly.
trying to turn around
Yeah.
as if you were going to do me, mate. So
No.
I stuck it right on you, you fucking bam. That's what happened, and you shot yourself. You shot yourself, didn't you?
Alright.
You shot your
Oh.
panties.
Yeah.
Fucking chicken. Make sure I've got everything, mate, before I have to fucking